Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we're actually going to make a three-toned rosette cake, a Neapolitan cake. We have a raspberry, a vanilla and a chocolate flavor sponge, and Monica will be layering it and then decorating it with colored rosettes. So I'll let her begin. Right, that's our Neapolitan rosette cake. What would you like to see on our next tutorial? Let us know, comment, and please subscribe. I keep on telling you to subscribe, but the more subscribers we get, the more videos I'll make. But please let us know what you'd be interested in seeing, and I'll try my best to do them. So thank you very much and see you next week.